Hi, this is the Interested Reader Podcast, and I'm your host, Sarah Tyke. I'm a mom, wife, aspirational writer, and a lifelong lover of science, nature, and learning. In graduate school, I was a teaching assistant for physics, astronomy, and environmental science courses. This is when I discovered my love for teaching. But following a curriculum and strictly adhering to a textbook wasn't my thing. I wanted to learn about and teach topics that weren't mainstream, that weren't taught in the classroom, that were maybe a little strange and unusual. That's what this podcast is about, exploring beyond the textbook. In several textbooks throughout my tenure as a physics and astronomy student, it was mentioned that the details of a topic were beyond the scope of the current lesson and would be left for the interested reader. On this podcast, we'll talk about those details and delve into the mysteries of the universe. We'll also do something I've loved for my entire life. We'll merge science and spirit. I believe the two are inextricably linked, and the more I study one, the more I understand the other. Each of us is a universe unto ourselves, and as we explore the universe within, we'll explore the universe beyond. You can expect to hear from me each week. I'll give a short lesson in physics or astronomy, followed by a brief discussion about what's going on out there in the universe. Then we'll make some cosmic connections as we unite science and spirit. I started this podcast because I love teaching, I love astronomy, and I love spiritual exploration. I found the academic world to be very limiting and, quite frankly, closed-minded. No one wants to discuss alternative theories in science, even though there's good evidence that they work. No one especially wants to discuss the spiritual aspect of science. Well, I do. I want to have those discussions. I want people to be curious and ask questions, and I want to answer those questions in a way that's easy to understand. I want to discover and teach astronomy for the soul. I hope your curiosity is sparked and you discover a love for exploring and questioning. So come with me as we study stars and souls and jump into a world reserved for the interested reader.